Now, our mission at CARE is to bring people together to create new ways of seeing. And that is precisely what we aim to do in our i2i workshop.
This year, I'm proud to say that we have speakers and attendees coming from 4 different continents.
You will see a number of developing themes in our field, which are also reflected in many of our research directions here at CARE, also reflected in the i2i program this year. For example, the role of artificial intelligence in changing the way we think about what we do and the way we imagine what imaging can be.
We're going to try to highlight a number of convergent technologies that are poised to change the way that MR is practiced and used. These technologies will be transformative enough that they should find a way to change the way that we practice imaging.
Speakers include basic scientists, clinical scientists, and industry scientists.
This translation of discoveries into clinical practice requires a team approach. The team of clinical scientists, clinicians, and radiologists working together to solve a clinically important problem.
We also have close to 50 poster presentations from young students and trainees who are attending the conference.
Now, if you think about it, imaging is at root about shedding new light, about seeing what was once invisible. So we hope that you enjoy talking about the changing world of imaging as we gather together to create new ways of seeing.
Imaging Rock.